In this video, we'll try to install Eclipse on Mac. So let's search Eclipse for Mac. Yeah, click download the 64-bit. Okay, download. Wow, it's fast. 20 seconds left. Look here. Now let's click here, show in Finder. Let's double click it. We can close this guy. Eclipse is installer, okay. Double click. Just click don't warn me when opening applications on this disk. Open. Let's continue with Eclipse IDE for Java developer, the first one. Install. Accept. Done. Let's launch. Eclipse IDE means Eclipse Integrated Development Environment. This is the welcome page. We don't need that. Close it. And here, this panel, we don't need the task list. Online, no. And here, create a Java project. Yes, let's create a Hello World project quickly. Project name, Hello World. Next. Finish. Unfold this one. Click source. Click this icon to create a Java package. So I'll use com.golden.learn Java. No. What about golden letter? Finish. Now with this package selected, let's click this icon to create a new Java class. So because this is our, click this one, main method. Name is hello, it can be any name. And finish. Let's add a line of code. SYSO. And I press the Control space to autocomplete the system.out.println. The famous hello world message. Now let's run it by clicking here, run. Always save. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. Ta-da! Hello world. It's done. See you next time.